Let's discuss how you can start to make money online from scratch, even if you have no idea where to begin and you don't understand how this whole thing works. So let's get started in very simple and very easy to understand manner. Okay, so in order to make money online, you only have to take care of two things. Okay, you obviously have something to sell and you must have somewhere to sell. Now let me give you a few options and few scenarios so you can understand how it works. Okay, so first of all, just uh, getting how this works. So for example, I'm here on my JVZoo account and you can see that these are my seller stats for today. And what that means is that today we sold a software, like which a set of softwares which got this much sales. And how so this covers this thing, like something to sell, we have software to sell here. And the second part, the somewhere to sell, we are selling on JVZoo and primarily through affiliates. Okay, so affiliates drive traffic to our software offers and we get sales. Okay, so that's how it works, something to sell and somewhere to sell. Same with this affiliate model, we have something to sell, which is the other people's product, we are promoting someone else's product as an affiliate. And like in this somewhere to sell, we are promoting these affiliate products through our email list, which are built obviously through launching softwares. So that's how this thing works. Now let me give you a few more examples so you understand like how this thing works in a more universal manner aside from internet marketing. Okay, so assume you have a YouTube channel. So in that sense, you have your video views to sell. Okay, you have something to sell. In this thing, you will have your video views. So whenever someone watches your video, YouTube will pay you AdSense income. And somewhere to sell, of course, you have your YouTube channel on YouTube, so it is taken care of. And some more examples, for example, you have a service to sell. Maybe you have a graphic design skill and you want to sell that service. And somewhere to sell, in you can list your services on Fiverr. You can pitch your services to people you find on Facebook groups, and you can just DM them. And you, if you know that okay, they are your target market, or you can just find someone on IG and TikTok and so on. Okay, so that's how that works. So we understand like this framework, this something to sell and somewhere to sell thing, this framework is universal. And whenever you are approaching a business model, whenever you approach a new business model, ask yourself like, is this something you can easily and do in your resources? Like for example, if you want to get into the software launching space, maybe you have to ask yourself, okay, I can build a software using vibe coding, but you have to ask whether you have somewhere to sell, whether you can get affiliates, whether you can get paid ads, or whether you have already have an email list that you can promote your newly built software to. So if you have these two things covered in your decision making, whenever you start, whenever you want to start a new income stream, or you want to do anything like you want to branch off to a new business model, you can use this strategy to easily know how this works. Now now let me give you some other examples from my own experience. So I sell on Amazon merch, and how it works is that I in somewhere to in the something to sell, I give my designs to Amazon, and Amazon licenses the designs from me. And of course the designs go on to the several apparel items which are obviously also on Amazon, so it is a built-in cycle as well, and I get paid passive royalties. So in short, in summary, anything you want to do, you want to run it through the same simple framework, even if you are new to internet marketing, and you will have a very much easier time understanding how you are going to make money and whether it's a reliable way. Okay, so thank you very much.